Hey guys, so here's a video of this little 42-inch Alaska GE vent ceiling fan in white and brass. I believe this one is made by Sheng Yuan. I think I'm pronouncing that right. This is the one that's installed in my new bedroom at the new house. Will get replaced with the San Marino at some point here in probably the next month, but we'll see. But I just wanted to do a video of it first. I guess this is one of two because the one that's in my mom's office is the exact same. It's just an antique brass. It's got white cane blades, just white on the other side. Single schoolhouse light kit. Does have a reverse chain. Go ahead and show you the top of the fan. So I can show you the labeling. Hopefully you can see the date code on there. Just like the San Marino, like I mentioned in the tour video, these fans are hot wired. Same as the San Marino. I just put this dimmer in, my Lutron dimmer. My Lutron Casado dimmer. Right there. So this is the other one. This was the one I had on the my little test light because I didn't have it installed for a while because of the screw mounting holes. On this one, they're kind of like stripped out and enlarged, so it won't, you can put a screw in there, but it won't, like, you can't tighten it down. So I actually kind of have this stuck onto the switch with electrical tape, and it actually works good. It holds the plate on, so, and nobody's gonna know, so it'll be fine. But the light switch does the light kit. It's just an LED bulb. It does have a pull chain on there. I gotta be careful with the 52-inch one in the master bedroom, because that one I got the pull chain stuck on it. I fixed it. So go ahead and start it out on low. Just got it on forward for the demonstration. So here's low.